Here's the thing nobody tells you when you start reading estimates. There are two big platforms out there, and the estimate on your desk could be built in either one. Xactimate is the one most people know. Symbility is the other one, and plenty of carriers use it. If you can only read one, you're guessing on half the jobs that cross your table. So let's fix that today. Good news. Underneath the different labels, they run on the exact same logic. Every line item in both systems tells you the same four things: what the work is, what category it lives in, how much of it there is, the quantity, and the unit that quantity is measured in. Square feet, linear feet each. That never changes between the two. What changes is the packaging. In Xactimate, a line item leads with a category code and a selector like a two-part shorthand. In Symbility, the same work reads more like plain description text with the category built in. Same drywall repair, two different looking rows. Here's a concrete one. You're looking at a bedroom wall. In Xactimate, you might see dry for drywall, then a selector for 1/2 inch, then a quantity in square feet. In Symbility, that same repair reads as a drywall line, 1/2 inch, quantity in square feet. Different first column, identical meaning. Once your eye learns to jump straight to the quantity and the unit, the label on the front stops mattering. And that square footage, it didn't come from thin air. It came from a length times a height somebody measured on that wall. That's your job in the field. Walk the room, capture the wall dimensions and the photos in Sketch Edge, our free field app. So when the estimate comes back, you can read that quantity and know exactly which measurement it traces to. You documented it. It's not a mystery number. Read the estimate. Know what to document. Capture it clean. Hand the documented job to estimate experts. That's the loop. You're not fighting anything. You're just literate in both languages now.